What's up, Swannicky TV, back in the building with another video. As you can already tell that I have a new hairstyle. I did have my twist out up for about a week or a week and a half, somewhere around that mark. But it was crusty, so I just had to take it out. It was frizzy, so it had to go. If you like to get this look, just stay tuned. Don't forget to watch, share, comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Support. I mean, if you clicked on this video and you haven't subscribed, then what you doing? What you doing, sis? If you would like to get this hairstyle, stay tuned. I'ma just get right into it. We got some eco styling. As y'all know, this is my top fave. Mousse. I got me some water as well. It ain't in the spray bottle, it's just in the cup. I got my brushes with me. And I got my sleeve brush or whatever. And I got my toothbrush. I got my outless ponytails. And I have another one right here as well. So this video gonna be short and sweet. So right now we just gonna brush with some water. Make sure you don't have any clumps and everything. So right here, we're also gonna go all over the head with some mousse. Y'all know I love mousse and some Eco Styler gel. And make sure you get the back, because you don't want the front to be laid and the back is just crusty, if you know what I mean. So right here, I'm just going to put it in a ponytail with my outless pony. And as you can tell, the struggle be so real, but I'm gonna just brush. I came up with a strategy to put it in a small ponytail, and then I'm gonna go around and do another pony to make sure that it's very sleek in the front and very sleek in the back. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm doing my strategies. So if you having problems just like me, you should try this. I guarantee you it will work. So I did go in and take that little ponytail off. I'm going in with some mousse, and I'm going in adjusting my bun just the way I like it. So get the bun to your liking, not anybody else liking, but to your liking. Be you, sis. But yeah, I'm also going to brush again. As you can tell, this video is self-explanatory, so yeah. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time when I make a video. And a lot of difficulties managing trying to do this video because of the lighting issues, as you can tell, but I'm dead. Okay, so anyway, the girl is out.